Om Namah Shivaya. Today we're going to talk about acidity and indigestion. How many of you complain out there to your trainers, or you trainers must have got quite a lot of questions on relieving acidity issues, gas issues, indigestion. Quite a lot of you all must have asked you guys trainers, ma'am, is there anything that we can do about this issue? Are there any asanas? So you have now in the top of your head 5 asanas. So today we're going to concentrate on these 5 simple basic asanas for acidity, gastritis and indigestion. 3 formula, just 5 asanas. Okay, let's go ahead. Visit the first one. Very important, Malasana. So we slowly stand up. You move your legs out, shoulder width apart. Okay, now slightly move your toes out. Inhale, stretch your hands up and get your hands in front of your chest. Now squat down as much as you can. Stay comfortable here. Now remember, push your elbows out, push your knees out. Make sure that your back is straight. Can you see my back? You just hold this posture, close your eyes, breathe in and out in Ujjayi. Hold the posture, back straight. Once you've completed 5 to 3 Ujjayi breaths, slowly relax and sit in Vajrasana. Second asana. Very comfortable. Remember, this is the only asana that you can do after you've had a meal. It could be breakfast, dinner, lunch, any of the 3 meals. You can sit. This is the only asana that you can do after a meal. So you can just stay here, fold your legs from Dandasana, fold your legs. Make sure that you're sitting on the heels. You can have slight gap in between your foot. That's absolutely fine. But remember to keep your back straight. No matter what, in Vajrasana, your spine gets to a straight position. Now breathe in and out in Ujjayi. 5 deep breaths in, palm turned upwards. As much as you can, close your eyes and concentrate on just breathing correctly. So this is your second asana, that's Vajrasana. Now slowly let's move on to the third asana. So today we're going to concentrate on doing Ardha Matsyendrasana. So slowly fold your leg. This is my left leg. I'm placing it closer towards my right hip joint. Now place your right leg closer towards the outer side of your left knee. Now what we're going to do, inhale, stretch our opposite hand. You place it on the outer side of the knee this way, or even you can pull the palm. Use your palm and pull your knees to the opposite direction in a way that you're putting slight pressure on your stomach, right? Final posture is here. If you're able to do this, might as well. Otherwise, 1, 2 options. Take your right hand back and keep twisting and look back. As much as you can, hold the posture, breathe in and out in Ujjayi. Hold the posture. And after 5 deep Ujjayi breaths, you can slowly release. Release your legs and do it on the other side as well. Remember, that's very much important. So let's go ahead and look at the other side. So you fold your leg, place it on top, inhale and twist. 5 Ujjayi breaths, slowly release your legs to Dandasana. And slowly relax, flap your knees up and down. Let's go ahead and look at the 4th and the 5th asana. So lie down on your back. This is a supine position. Now breathe in, stretch your legs up to 90 degrees. Fold your legs at the knee, interlock your hands. Now pull your knees closer towards your chest. Now breathe in and hold. Breathe in and out in Ujjayi. 3 to 5 breaths. Get comfortable here. Remember, you're removing all the gas. Very, very good for digestion. Slowly hold here and breathe out. You can do repetitions or even just open your legs and just fold. Repetitions. You can just go ahead and do these and relax. Let's go ahead and look at the 5th asana. Bring your legs up like this. Place it on the knees or on the outer side of the knees. Now inhale, take your opposite hand, push it down to the ground, open your opposite hand at the shoulder level and look at the opposite side. Now stay here as long as you can, breathe in and out in Ujjayi and slowly relax, raise it up to 90 degrees and drop. Let's do it on the opposite side. Lift up, place, opposite hand, pushing the knees down and look towards the opposite direction. Very, very, very good for your spine as well. Very good for indigestion, acidity, gastritis. Slowly release. You're pushing out all that tension around your digestive system. And these are all the 5 asanas that you can do for acidity, gastritis and indigestion. Thank you so much.